Hi friends, can you read and write in English but still struggle to speak it fluently and confidently? Don't worry, I am here to help you. I am English Friend 360 and in this video today, I am going to share 5 powerful tips that can help you speak English fluently and confidently. But before we begin, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel. And coming to the topic, let me tell you a quick story. There was a guy some time ago. He could read and write in English very well, but when it came to speaking, he used to freeze, he used to hesitate, and he used to lose confidence. Then one day, his guru gave him 5 simple practice tips, and guess what? They transformed his English completely. Now that guy is able to speak English fluently and confidently. You know, that guy is none other than me. Yes, it's me. Today, I'm going to share those 5 powerful tips with you. Use them daily for just 3 to 4 months, and you will see a big change in your fluency and confidence. Okay? So, let's get started. So, tip number 1, read the newspaper. You know, reading newspapers builds vocabulary, improves reading skills, and boosts your general knowledge. But don't read randomly. Start with the headlines on the front page. Just scan through them quickly. If something interests you, then read the full article. Okay. I personally love the editorial section because you will find lots of useful words and expressions there. And if you like sports or business news, read those too. In a nutshell, read newspaper that interests you. Okay. And tip number 2, watch English content. Watch English content. So whenever you are on YouTube or any social media platform, try to watch that content only in English. Suppose if you love cooking, watch English cooking videos. If you love tech, watch English tech videos. That's it, simple. But while watching, pay attention to their accent, their pronunciation, their phrases and idioms, and even their body language also, right? If you find someone who speaks well, just pause the video and imitate their sentence, then play and repeat it. Okay? So do this daily for just 15 to 20 minutes and watch your pronunciation and fluency grow. Okay? And tip number 3, learn new words and use them. Words are everywhere. TV, newspapers, banners, movies, where not. So simply pick them up and try to use them in your conversations and writings. Whenever you find a new word, you can do 3 things. Number 1, note that new word. Number 2, search the meaning. And number 3, form your own sentence with it. For example, you see the word healthy. If you search for its meaning, you will get in good physical and mental health. Now form a sentence like a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. Got it? It's funny too, but here the most important thing is use these words in your daily conversations. That's the key. Of course, you might make some mistakes at first. That's okay. Remember, fluency comes with practice only. Okay? So, tip number 4, train your mind to think in English. Train your mind to think in English. Dear friends, this is very powerful. I have already made a video on this topic. If possible, try to watch it once. I'm giving the link of that video in the description down below. Thinking in English is nothing but describing what you see around you, but in English, in your mind. Okay, for example, when you walk to the market, think that lady is selling bananas. I need to buy some bananas. Okay, so when you watch a movie, think the actor is so good. I think he is an American. Got it? And when you watch the news, think the anchor is speaking too fast. It's better if he would slow down. So in this way, So, whatever you do, just try to think about it in English in your mind. And while doing it, don't worry about any grammar mistakes, just keep going. Okay, this builds the habit of thinking in English, and you can do it anytime, anywhere. Okay, and finally, tip number 5, recap your day in English. Friends, at the end of the day, just imagine you are talking to a friend in English about what you did on that day. You can say, I woke up, brushed my teeth, had breakfast, went to college, the bus was crowded, played cricket, came home with my friend, he got a new bike, so on so. So just recall your whole day in English in this way. Do this every night before going to bed. It becomes a powerful and easy habit. Okay, so friends, these are the 5 tips that can improve your English. Okay, number 1, read the newspaper. Number 2, watch English content. Number 3, learn new words and use them. Number 4, train your mind to think in English. Number 5, recap your day in English. Okay, and if you practice these daily for 3 to 4 months, I am sure you will be amazed at the transformation. Remember, friends, fluency doesn't come overnight, but with consistent practice, your mind gets better and your confidence will grow. I hope this video helps you improve your English. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video. So keep learning and keep practicing. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more English tips like this. Bye.